Hello and good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to another edition of our smart, safe cybersecurity tips and insights that we're doing here today. Hey, this is Will Castro here. I am your cybersecurity and compliance trusted IT advisor. We are here today to talk about compliance demands for insurance companies. So, want you get ready. Thank you all for joining us here. Give me 1 second. I'm trying to do one more quick thing. And here we go. So, we're talking about compliance demands for insurance companies. Okay. I know right now, these days, insurance companies face several cybersecurity compliance demands due to the sensitive nature of data that they handle. So these regulations are designed to protect client information, prevent cyber threats, and ensure business practices. So here we are. Here are a couple bullet points of what we're going to talk about: data protection and privacy, secure payment and financial transactions, and employee cybersecurity training. Very, very important. So we're talking about data protection and privacy. There are FTC and there are regular compliance guidelines that you all must follow. Here's a couple of some information about what we need to follow and how we need to go about it. Okay, we're going to get ahead and get right on into it. Now, non-compliance is more expensive. And when I'm talking about non-compliance, I'm talking about not doing the necessary things that you need to do to make sure you are in compliance. So many businesses just totally negate and just forget about, only thing they think about is, IT service. Right? They think about IT service, and now they might be looking at cybersecurity, but we still don't understand what cybersecurity is. But what we're looking at is, IT service. So we're like, well, my IT guy is taking care of everything, right? But now the thing is, do you know what the compliance regulations are for your business? And with that, you insurance companies, when you are insuring businesses, you have to make sure that the companies are being compliant. Before they write policies, you have to go through some checklists to make sure of these things. So one of the things we do is we try to make sure we go through each area of your particular business, and we go through that. Here in 2024, we're talking about fines. We're talking about penalties. Okay, reputational damages because companies are not being compliant. This is how bad it gets, folks. Okay, here, a very top reputable company. Everyone knows about them. Geico and Travelers. I've had Geico insurance for auto. I've had Travelers insurance for business insurance. Both were fined $11.3 million for data breaches. Why? It's because they're not making sure they are staying up to date with the compliance regulations that they must follow. So you insurance companies, if you don't know, this is what we can help you do. We can help you make sure, and I know you know, a lot of your insurance companies know what compliances you need to have, but maybe just don't know where to start. Well, here's another one. Okay, another example. Okay, here's another insurance company, data breach. You're looking at it, $500,000 from auto insurance company being over data breaches. Okay, if you don't have the necessary things in place to make sure that you're compliant, you're going to get hit. These are the fines. These are some of the fines here that these insurance companies, they've made money over the years and they're having to pay right now. Now, can this be you? Absolutely. There's no business out there that's too small or too big to fall victim to this. And I say that, and I'm very, very passionate about this, is a lot of insurance companies. Look, you all have due diligence and you know about the requirements from the federal government. Okay? You know about the FTC safeguard rules. You know about compliance in general of what you all must follow to write policies. So with that being said, let's do what we need to do and take the first step to scheduling a call with us today to get the things done. Let's check out your posture. Let's check out your security posture. Let's look at all the things you have in place. We have a team of professionals and myself where we can come in and we can dissect exactly what you already have in order. We can tell to make sure, is your paperwork in compliance? Now we're not talking about your paperwork or your setup with your insurance company. Let's say you're State Farm. Of course, State Farm has their all defaults of how their paperwork and everything, how it needs to be. But we're talking about, are you compliant? Are you compliant and in compliance with the insurance compliance regulations that you must follow? It doesn't matter. Geico, Hiscox, you can be Liberty Mutual, okay? You can be, I told you, State Farm, Farm Bureau. It doesn't matter who you are, okay? Small or big. We're here to be able to help you get in compliance with the regulations that you must follow. Here's a QR code to schedule your appointment with me, yours truly, Will Castello. Again, I am your CEO and compliance and cybersecurity trusted advisor here at Triad Cyber Solutions. But look, I want to thank you for joining us for this quick Security Smarts because, folks, please take this note and take this serious. Okay? Well, thank you very much. We will see you next week for our next session of our Security Smarts video. Bye-bye.